Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is ZOMIYU Thread Repair Kit. ZOMIYU M6 into 1.0 metric thread repair kit is used for restoring damaged internal threads in different types of materials. This kit is commonly applied in mechanical work where worn or stripped threads can cause problems in assembly or maintenance. It supports smooth restoration of threaded holes in engines, automotive parts, motorcycles, bicycles, and other equipment that rely on secure fastening. The kit includes tools that allow accurate drilling, tapping, and insert placement. Each component works together to complete the repair process step by step. The drill bit prepares the surface by creating a clean opening, while the tap forms new threads inside the hole. After that, the insert is placed using the installation driver, ensuring proper alignment and stability within the repaired section. The inserts are made from 304 stainless steel, which provides strong resistance against corrosion and wear. This material helps extend the life of the repaired thread, especially in environments where moisture, heat, or pressure may affect performance. The solid structure of the insert improves durability compared to traditional coil-type repairs, offering a more stable and long-lasting solution. Each insert has a length of 9.4 mm, allowing proper engagement within the repaired hole. This size is suitable for many standard applications where M6 into 1.0 threading is required. The design helps restore the original thread size, making it easier to reuse existing bolts or screws without needing replacement hardware. The counterbore tool included in the kit plays an important role during preparation. It creates a recessed area at the top of the drilled hole, allowing the insert to sit flush with the surface. This step improves the final appearance and ensures that the installed insert does not interfere with surrounding components. Proper seating also helps maintain alignment and reduces the risk of loosening during use. The repair process can be completed using different types of tools, such as an electric drill, pneumatic drill, or manual hand tools. This flexibility allows users to perform repairs in workshops, garages, or even remote locations where advanced equipment may not be available. The straightforward method supports both experienced technicians and individuals who handle occasional repair tasks. Thread restoration is important in maintaining the strength and function of mechanical connections. Damaged threads can lead to loose fittings, reduced performance, or even safety risks. Using a reliable repair kit helps restore the integrity of the connection, allowing components to function as intended without requiring full replacement. This kit is suitable for use with materials such as aluminum, steel, plastic, iron, and other softer metals. Its compatibility with multiple surfaces increases its usefulness across different industries and repair situations. Whether working on vehicle parts, machinery, or household equipment, the kit supports effective thread restoration. Applying thread locking compound before installing the insert helps secure it firmly in place. This step reduces the chance of movement or loosening when the bolt is removed later. It also improves long-term stability, especially in applications where vibration or repeated use may affect the connection. Careful handling during the counterboring step is important to maintain proper depth. Excessive cutting may affect the surrounding structure or create gaps that could lead to leakage in certain applications. Regular checking during the process helps achieve accurate results and ensures that the insert fits correctly. The compact design of the kit allows easy storage and transport. All tools and inserts can be kept together, making it convenient for users who need a portable repair solution. This organization helps reduce time spent searching for tools and improves workflow efficiency during repair tasks. The use of solid stainless steel inserts provides a dependable option for restoring threads that are exposed to stress or repeated use. This makes the kit useful in situations where strength and reliability are important. It supports proper fastening and helps maintain the performance of mechanical systems. The combination of durable materials, precise tools, and a clear repair process makes this kit practical for everyday use. It allows damaged threads to be restored efficiently, helping extend the life of components and reducing the need for costly replacements.